if you have a window with an inline handle and you struggle with your fingers or your hands hitting off the frame, just not being enough room, a quick change is to change this from an inline to an offset handle. So like that. And this is a right hand. If you look at them horizontally and look at the shape of where it points to, so this is a right. If it would point that way, it would be a left. So as you can see, when you put your hand in, you're hitting the frame with your fingertips. This is actually quite a common request of how to fix this. So remove the cover cap. Remove both screws. Just use the existing screws, your new handle, put it back into the open position. Insert your screws. Back on with your cover cap. And as you can see, you get way more clearance for your hand, and it's more decorative as well, but way more clearance to open your window.